So when it snows, most people are like, let's go take out our kids, let's take cute photos and stuff. Me, on the other hand, I don't have children, but I'm like, which doll can I take outside? Which doll can I take outside to take pictures in the beautiful snow? And today I'm gonna take out the Spiegel Shopping Chic Barbie. This is one of my favorite Barbies. Looks like this. She's an older Barbie, but she is still beautiful. And I can't wait to show you what she looks like. This is what the box looks like. I'm not sure when she came out, but you can tell it's an older doll by the packaging and by the way Barbie looks. But it's a little bit dark outside. I promise it'll be a lot brighter in a second. But here's the viewing window, and it says, "Style to stroll in. Barbie looks her fashionable best in her new outfit. With head-to-toe matching accessories, she and her pretty poodle are turning heads everywhere they go." It's kind of hard to read the font with all this stuff in the back, but let's take her out. And this is what she looks like. We have our little poodle right here. We got her infamous heels. And I just love this outfit. It reminds me of Fran from The Nanny. I'm just gonna give a quick view of what she looks like. There it is. I think she's gorgeous. I love this doll.